today we will be fixing a problem with the delta faucets with the two handles in the washroom. So if you look at this, when you turn this cold water on, the water from here starts to leak here, and it just creates a mess. So the water is just leaking from here. So we will have to now work on fixing this from both the sides, both the handles. There is something in between. We'll replace this particular part and see if this fixes that problem. So as always, we'll start with shutting off the water from underneath and have some rags available just in case to wipe any of the spillage. Again, this is where the cold water, turn it right, and this is the hot water one, clockwise. Water stopped, and as always, Delta is very good providing all the parts that are required. All you have to do is submit a request to Moscow, Canada, MASCO, and they would be sending these replacement parts for free. Again, we'll look at this part. There are some instructions when you open this and to replace it, but we'll now see how it works. So first start with the Torx screwdriver and see there is a little bit of area here where you can unscrew the little screw inside the tap.
So let's take this one out.
And this is how it looks. Let's keep this on the side. Let's see if this comes out. Did it come out? This is how the handle looks like. Now we'll see how this can be replaced. Want to take a look at this one. All right. As per the instructions, we'll start removing this particular bonnet nut. So you will have to press it a little hard to get this one out. So let's remove the nut. Take this one out. Let's see if we can pull this one out. Okay. And that's where the rag comes in. It's handy. This is how the old one looks like. Let's take the new one out from there. So after we pull this one out, as per the instructions, this one is really difficult to gauge. So you basically have to get a nose plier and pull something that's like this. It comes out like this. Just remember how the direction is, and then there is a little spring that comes out. So these are the little two parts that you just keep it here for now. Because they have sent the new parts, we'll try and replace this as it was placed. So just remember the orientation of this one. So the bigger base goes down, then on top of this particular drawing goes. So let's replace this. Then this one out from here. Hopefully this can go in there, and we should be able to replace it. There are two in here. Hopefully the sizes are the same. Yeah, looks the same. Again, take the plier, hold it, want to bring it in here closer, and put it right in here. After this is placed, take this black ink and same thing, put it on the top and let it go inside. So push it a little harder here. All right, now this one is placed. Hopefully this is now good. Place. All right. Now this is the replacement part, and we should be able to put this, place this in this direction over here, here, and then place this. Let's see, as for the directions, take this one and let's place it there. So let's see if it goes in here. Yes, it fits perfectly in that area, that slot. Yes, this is it. And then let's put the nut back on here. Tighten this one up. Let's see.
Put this back on. Okay. Get this one back in, make it cool. I gotta do this. Let's see.
All right. Oh, so it looks like this, when it's supposed to be off, the water is running. So it looks like we replaced it in the reverse direction. So we'll have to use either the different one or put it around how we initially placed it. So let's take this one out again and try to fix that issue. So to fix the problem that when we turned the tap off, the water was running, and when the tap was on, water was off. So to fix that problem, look at this flat surface. So this flat surface should be facing away from here. So away from this side, so that this should be able to fix the problem. Once this is there, place your handle back on, put the little screw on, and that should work. If you want to do the test, you can actually before putting this screw, you can actually turn the tap on from the bottom and see if it. So I turned the tap on, so when the tap is off, water is not running. Tap is on, water is running. So that was the problem. So again, let's the direction of that flat surface should be opposite, so that it works as it's expected. Okay. So after fixing this, let's see, this is now, there is no water that's leaking. Let's turn this tap on and see if the water comes out. So the water is no longer coming out. So basically replacing these rings and this particular part fix the problem. And again, you can always ask for the replacement parts from Delta at the free of cost, because majority of the taps are usually within the warranty, and this replacement parts for free. Thank you.